Nice. Run. Good, Avinash. Hands up. Perfect. थोड़ा ब्रेक जब खाली येत असेल तर बस. Hands up. Now look left, turn left. Your elbow bend करायचे. D position कशी? Very nice. Now look left, lean left, put your weight on the left and pull left. Very good. Hold there, hold there, hold there. Parallel to the reach. Now hands up. Both hands up and weight in the center. Very good, very good. Perfect. Avinash, look right, turn right. Give nice turn this time right. Pull right, left hand up. Yes, and lean to the right. Left leg over your right leg. Left leg over your right leg. Pull left more, 1 inch more. Ladder turn कसा होणार? Hold there. Now hands up, hands up. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Relax. Left, hold left, lean left. Pull left down. Right hand up. Hold there, hands up.
शुभम
Like that. Right, right. Pull right. Left hand up. Now both brakes same pressure. Full brake and run. Very good. Turn around. Nice. Right brake. Right brake. Right, 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 right.